Hello everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As the video game industry remains divided about blockchain and NFT, there's been have significant even the indicate growing acceptance for blockchain and crypto gaming. This week, Nvidia unveiled tools for the metaverse as SeaGraph. The Sims creators recite 6 million for a blockchain Sims game. And everywhere is hiring for blockchain developers. Meanwhile, Xbox remains skeptical about the new tech. At the last SIGGRAPH, the yearly conference for computer graphics, Nvidia results for innovative product. The computer graphics company announced plans to feature into the metaverse. Here are the highlights from SIGGRAPH. Neural graphics. NVIDIA has been actively working on powered neural graphics, which are an integrate of computer graphics and theatrical integrations. The neural graphics SDK can simulate a realistic 3D world on the computer. The developers can use this function via different and from the news release neural avatar codes image. As the name suggests, the tool would allow developers to create realities after for the metaverse. Omniverse is built on the Unified Compute framework. The graphics company has planned to launch its later in 2022. In addition to ACE and neural graphics, NVIDIA has also developed a newer version of Omniverse. The platform is full-fledged tool for building apps from scratch. The Sims creator raised 6 million for blockchain. Will White, the popular game designer, and Lon Elliott have received 6 million for their Web3 project. Right now, for creating games like Sims in now turning to the metaverse. Wright and Elliott set up Kilm Studio in 25 and throughout the studio day. We're planning to make blockchain games. So far, the studio has focused first for Gala games and Forex, the same game for mobile. Gillum Studios has scored funding from venture capital firms like different gaming parents. In November, the studio had received 225 million through proxy token per sale. Proxy was announced back in 2018 and the project is a sim game on mobile. To tweak player experience, the game will be based on all and have NVT. Work says the throughout development process they have taken a player-centric approach. However, put out job poster of blockchain defeats. In it another significance, everywhere Lysis Benis has responded to the crypto NFT speculation. For Connex, Binance is the best now for producing branded auto. The GTA product setup built a Rocket Boy studio and is currently working on everywhere. After some people spawned a job posting for a blockchain from Build a Rocket Boy, the internet was full of speculation. The video games community started wondering in everywhere was a crypto game. Finally, the studio responded to the crypto gaming speculation over Reddit. However, several comments point out the financiers were for the developers and programmers and not research. Xbox had skeptical about P2E crypto gaming. In a recent Bloomberg interview, Phil Spencer, the CEO of Microsoft Gaming and head of Xbox, expressed concerns over play-to-earn games. During the interview, Spencer was asked about P2E games. He responded, "Play to earn specifically is something I'm causing about. It creates a working force out of players for getting players to kind of monetize." Spencer admitted the momentum has existed in the industry for years, but now you find games that are starting to build into the economy of the game itself. Earlier, Minecraft had stand the day, restraining clear NVT as they find the practice exploitative. However, he did say the such technology can serve a better purpose. I think sometimes a hammer looking for a nail when this technology comes, but the actual human or player use is our case of the technology. I think there could be something interesting things Spender explained. On the flip side, even with the progress, it remains to be seen how the players would reach a time by traditional game developers have been met with criticisms. It could be a while before gamers won't accept the new tech and developers actually create better quality games. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.